Patenting innovations in 3D printing fashion design. Overview of 3D printing in fashion, a revolutionary approach using additive manufacturing to create garments and accessories with applications in sustainability, custom fits, and avant-garde designs. Patentable aspects of 3D printed fashion, innovations such as unique designs, printing processes, fit customization algorithms, and specialized materials can be patented to protect creativity and functionality. Challenges in patenting 3D fashion, navigating novelty in designs, rapidly evolving technology, and balancing IP protection with open source innovation poses unique hurdles. Strategies for strong patents: emphasize technical and functional details, protect material innovations, and use design patents to safeguard artistic aspects. Role of collaboration: collaborating with patent attorneys, alongside tech companies and cross-industry partnerships, is crucial for strengthening IP strategies and protecting innovations in 3D printing fashion. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.